So this will be my unboxing and review of the actual Tesla brand second row pet liner. I have not opened it yet. It is all still sealed. Let's say on the back, thank you for accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy and made on Earth by humans. Good to know. Let's go ahead and cut this open. One and two. Their packaging is usually very minimalistic, so I'm not expecting all that much. Get rid of that. All right. So this is how it will come in a little plastic bag with a piece of craft paper on the inside. I'm going to set the camera down and take it out of the plastic, and I will be right back. All right, so this is it out of the plastic now. I've already unzipped it, and this is what you get on the inside. You get a little document showing what you get. So you get the carrying case, the main piece, and the two door covers. That is what it should look like. They give you instructions on how to install it. I do see these metal tabs here, so it's showing where to put them along your window so you don't damage it. These are the two door ones with their metal clips, and then this is the main one. Definitely a grippy material there, and then a super soft material on the inside. All right, so I'm gonna go get this installed, and we will see if she approves. You ready? Do you wanna go? All right, so this is the door panel here. Here are the little, I thought they were metal, but they were just plastic. Little plastic tabs. And it looks like you just put it in between the window and the door. Just like so. Completely covered. Let's go do the other side. All right, I'm gonna attempt to do this one one-handed on camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. But I'm coming up here, can't really see. Maybe through the other side. No, my tint's too dark. But push it down in. This is a little bit harder with one hand. Installed. Time to do the main seat. All right, so I went ahead and got it installed, and you can still use a seatbelt in case anyone was wondering, but it has these straps here. You put them over the front headrest. It has another strap in the rear. Put it over the rear, and that's really it. Like, there's no other installation instructions I can really tell you. It has a mesh panel here so that your dog can see you guys up front. That's how you know which direction is which. But honestly, it is high quality. It feels very nice. My dog is going to be quite spoiled. So let me go throw her in here and go for a ride and see if she approves. All right, this will be the real test. Hey, come on. Come on. You ready? Oh, look at that. You need some help? Go ahead. What is that, huh? Is that comfy? Is that comfy? Don't mind all the mess up there. You ready to go for a ride? Come on, get in there. What? Do you like that? What's the matter? You want your window? You just want your window? Is that what you want? Do you approve? Let's go for a drive. So our first trip, we obviously became Doritos. All right, take a break. Sit. No, sit. the girl.